Hello my dear kids, welcome back to my channel Colors of Mathematics. So today we are back again with another video, as I promised that I'll be coming up with the part 2 of arithmetic progression, and that is sum of nth terms in an AP. So whoever hasn't watched the previous video, do watch it for knowing the concepts, like for the concepts that are related to and necessary for understanding what arithmetic progression is. I have taught everything about it in my first video that is there in the videos collection. Just check out arithmetic progression part 1, you will be getting them. So here the second part of this chapter is sum of n terms, and let's just start without wasting much of time. So the question is, you need to find out the sum of first 22 terms of an AP that goes like 8, 3, minus 2 and so on. As I said that first you write the A, the very first term, that is 8 here. सबसे पहला टर्म यहाँ पे 8 है, and then आपको you need to find out the sum of 22 terms. पहले 22 टर्म्स का आपको इस AP में सम निकालना है, जो पहले 22 टर्म्स होंगे इस AP के. ओके, so for that you just need to know the formula first. n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. This is the formula. Now keep the digits here. Here the n is 22. Okay, and then 2a is 8, and then n minus 1 is 22 minus 1, and d is what? You need to carry on the d. D here is 3 minus 2, that is minus 5. Okay, 3 minus 8, that is minus 5. So here you get the minus 5. Now 2, 11, 8 2s are 16, plus 22 minus 1 is 21 into minus 5. Okay, so 11 into 16 minus 105. 21 5s are 105. So 105 minus 16, let's see what it comes out to be. This is 89. So 11 into 89. Now 89 into 11. 89 into 11. 9, 8, 9, 8. This is 97. Minus of 979. Now let's see some more questions on it. Which term of the AP 21, 18, 15 is minus 81? So here A is 21, D is 18 minus 21 is minus 3, N is what? We need to calculate the n. Which term of the AP? कौन सी term AP की क्या होगी? minus 81. Here nth term is 81. You have the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. So an minus 81. A here is what? 21 plus n minus 1. N you need to carry out, and d is minus 3. This is minus 3n plus 3. So 21 plus 3 is 24, minus 3n minus 81. Now minus 81 and minus 24 is equal to minus 3n. This is minus 105 upon 3 is equal to n. Okay, minus 3n. Now minus and minus cancel, 3 3 is 9, 3 5. Okay, n comes out to be 35. So 35th term of this AP is minus 81. Now let's see next question. Here determine the AP whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. Before just proceeding with the question, let me tell you how it goes. सी अगर आपको पहला टर्म निकालना है तो आपको पता होगा पहला टर्म ए होता है. जैसे इस सीक्वेंस में पहला टर्म क्या है? 2, उसको ए बोलते हैं. उसमें आप डिफरेंस ऐड कर देंगे प्लस डी तो नेक्स्ट आ जाएगा. उसमें आप फिर डिफरेंस 2d ऐड कर देंगे तो थर्ड आ जाएगा। तो बेसिकली थर्ड टर्म के लिए यू रोट a प्लस 2d, फोर्थ टर्म के लिए यू रोट a प्लस 3d। तो यहाँ पर द क्वेश्चन सेज डिटरमाइन द AP whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. So third term is 5. How will you write it? A plus 2d is 5. How will you write seventh term is 9? So seventh here you will write a plus 6d is equal to 9. Now subtract it by using elimination method. Minus 4d is equal to minus 4. D is equal to 1. So you have a as that you need to calculate it. You have a plus 2d is equal to 5. So write d की जगह you can write 1 now. A plus 2 is equal to 5. A is equal to 5 minus 2. A is equal to 3. So your first term came out to be as 3. Now difference is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. So you carried out the AP. Hope you are understanding it. And next question that we are going to move to is this: how many two-digit number is divisible by 3? 12, 15, 18 till 99. This series you have to form all by yourself, because the question says how many two-digit number. The two-digit number starts from 10, 11, but these two are not divisible by 3. Okay, so you start with 12 and the nth term is 99, which is divisible by 3. 100 is not divisible by 3, but 99 is. This you must know. So the series you have to create all by your own. So difference you have to take is 3. Why? Because divisible by 3. So there has to be a difference of 3. A is equal to 12, D is equal to 3, and nth term here is 99. Now you have to calculate n, that how many terms that are two-digit number are divisible by 3. So here we know the formula: a plus n minus 1d. Here nth is n and a here is 12. Now n you need to carry out and d here is 3. 12 plus 3n minus 3, 99. 99 is equal to 12 minus 3 is 9 plus 3, 9. 3n. Now 99 minus 9 is equal to 3n. This is 90 is equal to 3n. 90 divided by 3 is equal to n. So n is 30. So there are 30. So therefore 30 terms of two-digit are divisible by 3. So this is all for today. We're not going to practice more because yes, this much is enough. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for further video updates. I'll keep you entertained with mathematics questions, making it easier for you. Thank you for watching my